Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 16. This is Section 3.1, Problem 16. It says write the decimal as a fraction, and we have 8.003. So to turn this into a fraction, this is a four-step process. The first step is write what comes after the decimal in the numerator of a fraction. So after the decimal I have 003. I write the 003 in the numerator of a fraction. There's an 8 in front of that, so I can just keep the 8 in front of the fraction. And then the second step, step 2, is put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. So in the numerator I have 3 digits, so I put 3 zeros in the denominator. Step 3 is put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. Step 4, reduce the fraction if it's reducible. Now in this case, I can't really reduce it. I really don't want to write those zeros in front of the 3 in the numerator. I put them in initially so I know how many zeros to put in the denominator, but I'll at least do this. It's 8 and 3 1,000ths. Now the 3 and the 1,000 don't reduce. Nothing is going to divide into both 3 and 1,000 evenly. So at this point we're done. 8 and 3 1,000ths is the fraction equivalent of 8.003.